Hey there friends! Nagustuhan nga namin yung huling kain namin dito sa Cafe by the Ruins kaya naman bumalik din kami kaagad. But this time to try their main dishes. Last time nga na nandito kami, breakfast menu ang aming trinay. Again, Cafe by the Ruins is very popular with the locals. And here are the things that we've tried. First is itong Carabao Quezong Puti salad. Walang any meat dito sa salad na ito. At yung breaded na bagay na yan is yung Quezong Puti. As expected of Cafe by the Ruins, very fresh ang kanilang salad. At yung Quezong Puti, talaga namang it adds flavor. Siguro ito yung pinaka-favorite ko sa in-order namin. We've also tried their okoy. 3 pieces na yan and good for sharing. Ang gusto ko dito, hindi siya mamantika at malasa din enhanced by the vinegar. And here's their Auntie Cecil's adobo. I think bago lang siya sa menu. CPA siya na merong kasamang mangga. Siguro hindi niya lang na-hit yung lasa ng adobo for me. And here is their pinikpikan. Para tong tinola. But yung version nila dito sa Cafe by the Ruins is merong karne. Usually, chicken lang siya. And here's their arroz caldo na talaga namang nakakabusog. For their drinks, this is their mango lassi. Okay naman siya pero hindi siya nakakabawi ng uhaw And their Rizal hot chocolate. And of course, their Americano na may kasamang balikutsa. Ayun lang naman. Next time again. Bye!